Dark meat and white meat. Yes. This side is the dark meat. This side is the white meat. Okay, you all always like the dark meat, right? Because it's quite sweet. Okay, this part, white meat, the breast part lah. Okay, so now we are going to cut the dark meat first. First thing first, okay, we are going to take the tight part. Okay, so you just cut a little bit, alright, and push this one. Push it, okay, and here you need to find the joint. You know where's the joint? You see, only one time I just cut the joint. Okay, and this is your one type. Can you take one? Oh, boleh lah, sini lah. Okay, this is your type. Alright, one type. Okay, so this type also have to cut. Right? This one also you need to make sure you know how to, where is the joint. Okay, so if you are expert, you can just find the joint based on. So if not, you can just look into behind and check the joint, where's the joint. Okay, and you can cut there. Understand? So you get ready your what do you call it? Your chicken type. Okay, this one make sure serve it. Okay, some customer like this one. So you transfer this one to your plate. Imagine this is your plate later. Put it here, and then this one here. Okay, so decorate lah. Make sure you decorate your chicken. Okay, this is your dark meat. Done on dark meat.